नमस्ते मेरे प्यारे बच्चों. How are you all? Okay, hope you all are fine. So we finished the first lesson, isn't it? I expect more students to send the notes, but I am not getting. Okay, it's not good. Please send the notes after finishing. I'll correct and give. Your parents don't know to correct it. Please send it. I'll correct and give. Okay, my dear kids. So please send the notes. Okay then. Today we are going to see this Pustak B book. I'll take this Pustak B book, another one activity book we gave na that book. In that page number 1, some questions are given. That's not for studying and all. Okay, only for revising the lesson. So kahani dohraye, revising the story. सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, माँ और पिताजी दोस्तों और रिश्तेदारों से किस बात की बधाई ले रहे थे? फादर एंड मदर वाज गेटिंग विशेस फ्रॉम द फ्रेंड्स एंड द रिलेटिव्स फॉर व्हाट दे वर गेटिंग विशेस. माँ और पिताजी दोस्त व रिश्तेदारों से घर में जन्म लेने वाले नए मेहमान की बधाई ले रहे थे. दिस क्वेश्चन वाज देयर इन द नोटबुक, आई थिंक, isn't it? So okay, that much only enough. Okay, for those who born, माँ और पिताजी दोस्त व रिश्तेदारों से घर में जन्म लेने वाले नए मेहमान की बधाई ले रहे थे. One new guest has come born in their house. For that only this father and Sunny Kumar's parents were getting wishes from their friends and relatives. Second question, Sunny Kumar और रावनी कौन थे? Who was Sunny Kumar and Ravani? Who was that? Sunny Kumar और रावनी कहानी के दो पात्र हैं. They are the two characters of this story. सन्नी एक 8-10 साल का लड़का है. सन्नी is a 8 to 10 years boy. We learned this on the note. रोनी, who is रोनी? उसकी प्यारी अच्छी नस्ल की पालतू कुत्तियाँ हैं. He is a good breed on domestic dog only. This Ravani. Sunny Kumar's lovely that domestic his pet dog only. This Ravani. Sunny Kumar and Ravani is the two characters of this lesson, this story. And Sunny Kumar is a boy of 8 to 10 years, and Ravani is his pet dog, which is a good bride. Okay. Then third one, बैंक में सनी कुमार की मुलाकात किन महाशय से हुई? In bank, Sunny Kumar met one person. Who is that person? उस मुलाकात का क्या परिणाम हुआ? What is the end of that meeting? He met one person in the bank. Who is that person and what is the end of that meeting? बैंक में सन्नी कुमार की मुलाकात पिताजी के दोस्त से हुई. He is a friend of his father. That person is the friend of Sunny Kumar's father. और बातों बातों में उन्हें गलत फहमी हो गई कि उनके घर एक नवजात शिशु ने जन्म लिया है. In what is the end of his meeting? He felt that one new baby has born in the house of Sunny Kumar. That he misunderstand. गलत फहमी means misunderstood that in his Sunny Kumar's home a new born baby has born. Like that only he felt. So बैंक में सन्नी कुमार की मुलाकात पिताजी के दोस्त से हुई और बातों बातों में उन्हें गलत फहमी हुई. ओके, कि उनके घर एक नवजात शिशु ने जन्म लिया. न्यू बॉर्न बेबी हैज बॉर्न इन हिज हाउस. लाइक दैट ही फेल्ट. देन फोर्थ वन, नए मेहमान से मिलने पर पिताजी के दोस्त की क्या प्रतिक्रिया रही? When he met the new guest, what was the reaction of that friend of his father? When that man came to his home, isn't it, to meet that new guest? So that time, what has his feelings, what reaction was there when he met that new guest? नए मेहमान से मिलने पर पिताजी के दोस्त घबरा कर दम से कुर्सी पर चढ़ गए और खिसियानी से हंस पड़े. What he was doing? He was, by seeing the dog itself, he was stood on the, what he did, he stood on the, what happened, stood on the chair, and also he was laughing because of shame. That much only happened. नए मेहमान से मिलने पर पिताजी के दोस्त घबराकर दम से कुर्सी पर झट गए और खिसियानी से हंस पड़े. Okay, this one I will send as PDF. Okay, my dear kids, don't want to worry. Only for teaching only I did like that. Then you have to take page number 5. These 2, 3 and 4 and 2 I have told you to do. That itself 1 or 2 students only send me. It's very bad. Okay, no one is doing what and all I am telling. Not at all responding. Okay, that's not good. Please do whatever the teachers are telling. And take page number 5. There also you up of that, please, wherever I have written the date, please write the date there. Dinang means date. व्याकरण अभ्यास means grammar exercise. वाक्यों में दिए गए रंगीन शब्द किस संज्ञा भेद के उदाहरण हैं? Then which type of noun is there which is given in color? Which type of noun? We learned the noun, 5 nouns we learned, isn't it? So which type of noun is this one? That you have to tick. उचित विकल्प पर सही का निशान लगाइए. Where it is correct, you put tick on that. Number 1, नए मेहमान के आने से सबको खुशी मिली. In that खुशी means happy. Happy, what is that? Feelings, isn't it? So भाववाचक संज्ञा. It is a feeling. So भाववाचक संज्ञा. And tick on that. Then second one, पिताजी बाजार खुद जाकर कलाकंद लाए. पिताजी, what is that? Father. He is a father. So that is a common word, isn't it? So जातिवाचक. For all the fathers we will tell father only. So जातिवाचक. Then third one, सन्नी नए मेहमान के लिए दूध की बोतल लेने गए. दूध, that is the colored word in that sentence. दूध means it's a liquid subject, liquid substance, isn't it? So that is a द्रव्यवाचक संज्ञा. द्रव्यवाचक. So liquid it is there means द्रव्यवाचक. Then fourth one, कल शनिवार है. Tomorrow is Saturday. That is शनिवार. Saturday is the name of that Saturday only. So व्यक्तिवाचक संज्ञा. That Saturday we are not going to give for any other else. So Saturday व्यक्तिवाचक संज्ञा. Okay, then last one, बाहर भीड़ कैसी है. Feed means crowd. So more people will be there, isn't it? So it will be tell us समूहवाचक संज्ञा. So it is in plural, like more people are there means we will tell us समूहवाचक संज्ञा. Okay, my dear kids. Then next page number 5. There also you write your date. There we were seeing that भाववाचक संज्ञा शब्दों से जातिवाचक संज्ञा सर्वनाम आदि छांट कर लिखे. भाववाचक संज्ञाएं is given in black color. Okay, that black printed, that is the question you have given. In that you have to change it into जातिवाचक. So feelings it is given, so you have to write as common noun. So then also pronoun also you should write. Okay, like that. Then संज्ञा, then विशेषण, क्रिया. That everything you have to change. Then first जातिवाचक संज्ञा. You see that भाववाचक शब्द से जातिवाचक संज्ञा सर्वनाम आदि छान कर चाहिए. First भाववाचक संज्ञा is given. Then you have to write in जातिवाचक. Then you have to write in सर्वनाम. Then you have to write in विशेषण. Then क्रिया. Okay, this is kriya. So first one जातिवाचक मित्रदा. मित्र. Then शिक्षा, शिक्षक. मनुष्यदा, मनुष्य. So mitrada means friendship. That is a feeling. So in common we will say friend, isn't it? So mitra. Then shiksha means education. What we will say? Shikshak, teacher. Then manushyada. Manushyada means humanity. What is the common noun? Manushya, human. Phaichara means brotherhood. So what is that common noun will come? Phai, brother. Buddhapa means what? Old age. That old people and that stage, that buddhapa. Then what we will say? Old man. that is Jadivachak. Then Sarvanam, that Favavachak Saknya only Ahankar. So that you have to change in Sarvanam, pronoun you should change. Ahankar, Aham, Parayapan, Paraya, Sarvasva, Sarv, Apnapan, Apna, Nijada, Nij. Okay, that is the pronouns. Then Visheshan, Khatas, Khatta, Chaudai, Chauda, Chadurai, Chadur, Haryali, Hara, Alasya, Alasi. Then Kriya Shabda Likhavat, Likhna, Chadai, Chadna, Khel Khud, Khelna, Kudna, Bahav, Bahna, Hasi, Hasna. In Kriya, that verb means it will, Kriya means verb. Verb means it will end with na only. Okay, action words. So first you copy this one. Okay, my dears, when I am telling only you want to learn, otherwise you don't want to learn, please copy it and finish it and send it to me. Then today we are going to study the next lesson. Take Pustak A book, another book is there, that book you take, page number 14. Page number 14. Up of that you write today's date. What is the date today? 20, ma'am forgot to write 20/10/2020. What is the date today? Mangalvar. Write on the up of that page, Mangalvar. God, what is the title of the lesson? You know, Gadbad Chala. Gadbad Chala. Gadbad Chala means, what is that? Gadbad Chala means messing up, messed up. Like together, messed up. We can't find out like that. Messed up. What is messed up? We can see in that lesson. Okay. कितना गड़बड़ छाला है, नामों में घोटाला है, रंगी को नारंगी कहते त्योहारों में हार नहीं, मीठा फल आलू बुखारा, आलू को हुआ बुखार नहीं, रंग बिरंगी होती गायें, नीली गाय नहीं देखी, अजब नाम यह डाउटंगी फी, पर एक फिटंगी नहीं देखी, किसने नाम निकाला है, नामों में घोटाला है, कितना गड़बड़ छाला है, गड़बड़ छाला मीन्स messed up, messed up. Okay, gadbad chala means messed up, MESSED-UP, messed up. कितना गड़बड़ चाला है, what is messed up? नामों में घोटाला है, घोटाला means confusion, very confusion in so many words. So why it is? Because it is messed up, so it is so confusion in some words. What is that words? Rengi ko narangi कहते हैं. One color we will call, rengi means one color. Rengi means color. So that color we will tell us narangi. What is narangi? Orange. Narangi, orange. Orange. So rengi ko narangi कहते हैं. So rengi color, for one color we will sell narangi. Narangi we will split means it will be that words meaning it is coming means we will tell us no color. Narangi. So no color, that only will come. So but it is telling that it is a color. So we have to, what we have to do? So narangi, rengi ko narangi कहते हैं. rengi को नारंगी कहते हैं. देन त्योहारों में हार नहीं, त्योहारों में हार नहीं. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ त्योहारों में हार नहीं? त्योहार मीन्स फेस्टिवल, हार मीन्स फेल्यूर. सो त्योहार, त्योहार मीन्स फेस्टिवल मीन्स whether it is any failure in that, not there, isn't it? So त्योहारों में, that word also, so त्योहार, that word also confusion is there. First narangi word, narangi means no color, but it is orange. Narangi means orange. Tyohar means festival, so it not having any what failure. Then even its name is Tyohar. Then meeta fal aloo bukhara. Aloo bukhara means plum. Aloo bukhara means plum. Plum. Aloo bukhara means plum. Meeta fal aloo bukhara. Meeta fal, plum is very sweet, isn't it? Meeta means sweet. So meeta fal aloo bukhara. Aloo bukhara, that plum fruit is very sweet, but what happened that aloo, that name is aloo bukhara in Hindi, but आलू को हुआ बुखार नहीं. Then by hearing that we will think आलू in separately we will say potato. So आलू potato. So bukhar fever. So आलू potato bukhar fever. आलू bukhara we will think that आलू having bukhar, isn't it? आलू having fever, that potato having fever, like that we will think. But आलू bukhari is the name of a plum. In Hindi we will say for plum आलू bukhar only. So like that. Then rang birangi hoti gaye, cows and all will be very different color, isn't it? So many color cows it will be, but neeli gaye nahi dekhi. Whether we can see anywhere neeli blue gaye is there, blue nowhere, isn't it? But it will be telling that cows are in different color, but that blue color cow we didn't see still. Ajab naam yah nautangi fi. Nautangi means, what is the meaning of nautangi? Ajab naam, nautangi means trick. Ajab means strange. That trick, that nautangi naam also, nautangi's meaning is trick. But tangi, then what we will think? Tang is there. Tangi means tang. Nautangi means trick. That trick, nautangi word also, it's very strange. Why it is strange? We will think that having any tang or, but ek bhi tangi nahi dekhi. We don't having any even a single tang. Tangi means tang. So that name also it will different. किसने नाम निकाला है नामों में खो डाला है. Who has removed this name and all? We don't know. That names and all having confusion. That much only this para. Okay, there's so many confusion in these words and all. Narangi means no color, but narangi is orange. Tyohar means festival, but tyohar means har, no failure it is there. Like that, aloo bukhara is a plum. It is a sweet fruit, but not having any fever in potato, like that. Then cows and all in so many different colors, but we didn't see still even a single blue color cow. Then nautangi means trick, but not having any tang or and all, like that. Now nautangi means nayan tang. So, but that word's name is tang, trick only. So not having any tang and all. So that poet is telling that who has removed this name and all, every name having some confusion and all. Okay, my dear kids, this much only this lesson. Today we are taking. It's there more, but today this much only enough. Okay, more if it is studying means it will be confused for you. So this much is enough for you today. Okay, my dear kids, learn well, read well, and okay, that book, that Pustak B book also finish it, my dear kids. Okay, my dear kids, that's all for today. Dhanyavad.